Hey, Minnesota project managers, business analysts, leaders. Would you like some in-depth learning on how you can use neuroscience to enhance your conversations with your peers, teams, and stakeholders? Then I invite you to find out more at PMI Minnesota's Professional Development Days, September 23rd to 26th, 2019, at the St. Paul River Center in St. Paul, Minnesota. My name is Imilkowski, and I am super excited to bring a 2-day workshop, What Did Our Brains Just Say? The Neuroscience of Expert PM Conversations. Have you ever said something to someone that unintentionally upset or even offended them? Even with the best intentions, words sometimes have unintended impacts on colleagues, teams, and stakeholders. This session looks at conversational intelligence, a neuroscience framework for recovering from unintentional impacts and building trust in communication. You'll learn to identify different levels of conversation, how to shift between those levels for optimal communication, and how to apply neuroscience to rebuild trust after a disconnection. And you're going to be able to learn from more than just me. There are 3 full days of educational sessions, as well as a final symposium day with over 20 sessions to choose from. Speakers like Betsy Allen Manning, Neil Eady, Jacques Gopil, Catherine Byers-Breet, Jerry Hall, Angela Wick, and dozens more will be presenting. You don't have to be from Minnesota to attend this 4-day educational extravaganza, so pack your bags and take advantage of this singular learning event. If you haven't already, register today at events.pmi-mn.org/PDD 2019. And I really look forward to seeing you there.